Hi guys, Gyeon here. So we had the new Porsche GT4 at the shop. The first week it came in for a vinyl removal and an interior detail. Then the customer brought it back. We had to do a paint correction, PPF application and a ceramic coating. So we actually wanted to do 2 videos for you guys, but in the end decided to give you one longer video. Please enjoy. Okay guys, the car's in the bay. Heath is busy removing the vinyl. Afterwards, it's going to go back to the wash bay where we're going to do a paint decontamination on it. Hi guys, okay, the Porsche GT4 is in the bay, decontamination is done, just finished masking. Peter has started cutting on the car before we move on to the refining phase. And by the way, how cool do these taillights look on this car? Okay guys, as you can see, the GT4 is done. We did a decontamination, we did a 2-stage paint correction, we just washed it, prepped it. It's now going to the bay for PPF installation. Guys, as you can see, we are at the PPF station at the moment, getting the templates ready for the GT4. What makes us different than most other detailing centers is we use software with a plotting machine, everything we do is pre-cut. We don't use blades on your car to make it a practically almost invisible perfect fit. Okay guys, there you have it. This GT4 is done. If you remember last week, a customer brought it, we did a deep clean and a vinyl removal. This week, he brought it back again. We did a 2-stage paint correction. We did a frontal PPF application using our software and our plotting machine for an almost invisible finish. We then detailed the wheels and the calipers. After that, we ceramic coated the whole car with our Gyeon ceramic to give it maximum protection. Also inside, we detailed it, we cleaned it. I think this customer is going to be extremely happy. The car looks absolutely stunning. Oh yeah, just one last thing. Guys, if you enjoy this video, please like, subscribe. That motivates us to give you plenty of more content.